Hello beer lovers, welcome to another episode of the best ever beer review show. Our quest to find the best beers in the world has already begun. Thank you all for your support, and having said that, we are reviewing the world's most famous beers today. So let's begin with the show. Okay guys, so this is a forest. My crew is getting there to do the setup. Look at this. It's a deep jungle and you have to trek from there. Okay, let's do the beer review. Let's break it. And the next beer is Singa. It's got 5% alcohol and it would cost you around $4.3. So let's open it, taste it. And Singa is a Thai beer. Let's taste it. Here's Singa. I would say this is one of the best beers I've ever had. The reason being is that it has got a very mild taste. It's very smooth. It flows like water. So I would give it a rating of 4.1. Okay, and the next beer is it's Belgian wheat beer. It's a community beer, so it's 100% naturally brewed. So it has got an alcohol percentage of 4.9, and the price, you would get it for approximately $3.7. Let's open it and taste it. The taste is similar. I wouldn't want to compare this, but the taste is similar to Hoegaarden. So if you've had that beer, you would definitely love this beer. I would give it a rating of approximately 3.95. The next beer is Simba Stout. In the earlier episodes, we have covered Simba Wit and Simba Light. So this is Simba Stout. It's a premium beer. So it has got an alcohol percentage of 4.5 and it would cost you in and around $2.8. So let's taste it and give it a review. Cheers. It is a good beer. I would say every beer is good. However, you know, when it comes to tasting beer and giving it a review, I wouldn't give it a rating more than 3.2. The reason being is that it is slightly sweeter. I believe for people who like sweet beer, they would love this beer. Right. The next beer is wheat beer. It's a Goa based beer, so it's brewed in Goa company. So let's give it a taste, and before going ahead, it's got 4.5% of alcohol and it would cost you in and around $2. So let's taste it and give it a review. Here we go. It tastes like wheat itself, so it has a very mild pinch of sweetness to it, and it's bitter as well, rather than regular beers. I love this beer. I would give it a rating of 3.5, and for a $2, you know, price range, I believe this is the best beer. Cheers. And the next beer is Irish Ale. I have reviewed the lighter version of this beer, the premium version. This is a strong beer because it's got an alcohol percentage of around 6.5 and it could cost you over $3. Let's taste it and review it. Here we go. It's a good beer, but I don't like it. I will give it a rating of 2.6. Take care, guys. Okay, beer lovers, that's it for this episode. I hope you have liked it, you've enjoyed it. If you like it, please give us a comment, subscribe and share, and we will come up with more reviews. And what I would say before end this episode is stay sober, stay safe. Love you all.